I think that looks pretty good. Sorry, it's hard for you guys to see that there. Welcome back to BA Performance. Today we're going to be testing out the world's most affordable welder. It's all in this little box right here. Here is the welder itself. It has one knob on it that says max. You got a positive and a negative lead here. This is probably a screen. Looks like it's got some air vents on each side and a fan on the back. Yeah, so Topshak, I should say here. Looks like a fin or maybe a hat, who knows, top hat. We got 110 AC input. It also came with some parts so that you can make your own leads, but ended up getting some leads off the same website. They're already made. And then have a plug-in end that did not come with it either. So I'll get this hooked up and we can try it out. All right, we got a few different color wires here. So I'm gonna guess the one with the green stripe on it is ground. Yeah, or earth ground, and maybe the blue one's regular ground. We'll find out. Alright, now I'm going to put the leads on. Alright, time to very carefully plug it in. Then we're going to turn the power switch on the back side and see what happens. Alright, fan's on. It says 27, 23. So if I turn this, it's going up 90, 100, all the way up to 250. So let's try 125. Right there, 126, close enough. Okay, so we have two pieces of iron here. We're going to try and weld together. So just like that. See if we can weld this seam. And then we have some 1/16 electrodes from Harbor Freight. See how these work. it's welding. Oop, our electrode fell out. Bit hard to tell if it's actually in there or not. And that's the first weld of it, so it's actually not bad. Yeah, that's hard for you guys to see that, but it's fairly decent. Let's try a little more. Ground up. Okay, first impression, I'm actually thoroughly surprised. This is pretty good. We're gonna turn it up now. Let's try 175. So I would say it's actually a nice looking weld. Let's break stuff off of here. But I think that that's actually a little too hot. Probably 150 would be better. So let's try 150 right here next to it. Alright, this is at 150. I think that looks pretty good. Sorry, it's hard for you guys to see that there. Alright, so obviously now we gotta crank it all the way up. Look at how hot that rod is. You guys can tell it was glowing red. Yeah, 250 is enough to burn right through that metal. And that metal is a little less than 1/8 of an inch thick. So yeah, that's way too hot. I think for our next and last test, we are going to try Texas TIG. And Texas TIG is where you go 2 rods at the same time. We're going to crank her back down to 175. Get. So yeah, like I was saying, even at 250, I was able to make a fairly decent weld, and so this was at 125. I'm a little bit better one there, but you know, I would say, you know, that's gonna hold for what this is. And then for my Texas TIG, you can see how much bigger the weld is. It actually kind of worked. You know, this isn't really the right application for it, and I was probably still cooking too hot for that, but it did work. Yeah, look at that. So fully welded. Yeah, I'm blown away. I thought this thing for surely was going to catch on fire. I mean, just look at how small it is. This is it. This is the whole welder. I mean, talk about portability. Able to use it in small spots. It's not even on fire. It's so cheap. I mean, you can throw it away when you're done. For a beginner, I mean, it doesn't get much easier. You just crank the knob. You got one knob. Easy to figure out. I can't believe I'm saying it, but yeah, if you have never welded before and you want to get into it cheap, I'd say get this welder. That being said, guys, thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, share this with your friends, and peace out.
Broadcast Performance is what it stands for.